Today's digital world demands seamless connectivity. The problem is that managing complex infrastructures can be a challenge for many organizations. Inefficient networks lead to downtime, high costs, and missed opportunities. It's important to find a reliable solution. And this is exactly where the Novalink RS devices come into play.
Hello there. I'm Alex from WeZ. I'll be your guide through this series of short videos about Novalink RS devices. In this first episode, I'll give you a quick intro to Novalink. Let's get started. Whether you are a mobile operator, an MSO, a telco, a city carrier, or an industrial company, there is a solution to help you optimize your network infrastructure. The Novalink RS devices. Novalink isn't just a product. It successfully transforms your business. Make your network future-proof, effective, and competitive. Unlock the full potential of your network. Aggregate everything, everywhere.